Hey guys, what's up? It's the Tech Pansy here, and today I've got a new product to unbox and review for you. It's called the Sennheiser GSP300. You've probably seen it in the title. And I'm basically going to give my opinion on why it's such a popular headset for under $100. Alright, let's see what we have in the box here. Okay. Probably should just flip it around. Okay. Looks kind of odd, don't you say? In any case, that's the box. What we get, here's a manual. We don't probably need it. Then, look how nice and closed off this is. Man, does that thing look sexy. Okay, let me guide it out. Back here, as you can see, two 3.5mm jacks, one for sound and one for the mic. No surround sound on this one because they don't include it, so it must be like that then. And then lastly, all I can see is the splitter to take it to mobile or play on consoles or something, so that's also nice to have. There, box is empty. This review went a lot faster than I thought. Okay, so now the real question is, what is all the buzz about on this headset? Oh wait, here's stickers. Look. Do you want to hear how I peel it? So satisfying. Look at this. Man, I must say, these cushions are very soft. And it feels... Man, does this thing feel solid. Okay, it's just... Okay, here's the adjustable sliders. You can see there are different steps you can use. So I'm obviously just going to take it to its largest and stuff and try it on. Damn, does this thing have noise cancellation? I can barely hear myself. And here's its mic. What I do know from it is that it's very good. And it can mute when you tilt it up. That's what I know of it now, pretty much. Okay, so the guy you saw yesterday was still me. I just had some time to test it, and let me put it this way, I'll give you the specs first. It has 50mm drivers. It was quite hard to find those specs, but in any case, the frequency response was 15 Hz and 26 kHz, so well, 26 kilohertz, if that makes sense, 26,000 Hz, same thing. And anyway, 19 ohms of impedance, which means it just needs very little power to start up, and yeah, that's pretty much the basic specs I guess you need to know about it. And now I had some time. I took the whole day because I can see new shirt stuff, it's a new day. I basically tested it out for you, and from what I could tell, listening music, damn, does it sound good. There's real, it's not like the most muddy bass, but it's like that exact bass you want. medium sound, high sound, everything sounds amazing. I hopped into some PUBG yesterday just to test it out, see what the sound quality was like, and I must say, these things sound really good. I could pick up sounds from, I'd say, a few miles away even. But yeah, I can point out exactly where that person was when I tried to shoot him, but obviously I'm not that good of a player. So yeah. But in any case, I had some time with it. I just have a bit of an oily face, so I'd say my only problem is because this headset has such a large side profile here, if you have a bit of an oily face or something, it will tend to be getting on it. So definitely the only thing I'd have against it, but further, I must say I'm really impressed with it. Very nice product. Right after this, I'll give you the quick mic test, and then I'll give you my overall conclusion on it. So, doing the mic test. Alright, I'm back with the mic test, and as you can hear, it sounds pretty good. Can't say that it is a bad mic. It's like I told you yesterday. It's actually a good mic. I knew it before, but I just wanted to share it with you. But in any case, I think I'm going to give my conclusion with the mic because I think it sounds good enough. Just give you an idea. Here's my keyboard noise. It's there, but it's not blatantly in your ears and stuff. So where I'm going to put it is for about $99 or less. I'd say this is best all-round headset, period. Sound quality, probably the greatest I've ever seen or heard. What the hell? Okay, but in any case, best sound quality I've ever heard. Very comfortable. I mean, I told you yesterday, these top cushions here are very soft. Even the ear cushions, and I must say, the ear shape is like, it fits perfectly into your ears. You can have what size head. I think this thing will fit you. Comparing it to a HyperX Cloud Alpha or a Cloud II, I don't personally own those, but we all know it's the go-tos if you want to start gaming. But I, for one, would actually really consider this over that. Just for, let's say you can't get a discrete headphone and studio mic set. I mean, I don't think there's anything that would beat this at this price. So to put it straightforward, for about 1,500 Rand in South Africa or under $100 in the US, I really can't see how you could go wrong with this. I mean, the mic is actually so good, I actually want to start streaming with this thing. I don't have enough money to afford discrete headphones and a studio mic, so this is why I bought this, because I knew this is an all-round monster, actually. So I must say, I'm actually really impressed with this thing. I can game for long hours with this without even actually feeling like I'm getting fatigue or something. So I must say, job well done, Sennheiser. You're really living up to your name. But in any case, I'm the Tech Pansy, and I think I've covered all the necessary things. So until next time, stay tuned. Pansies. No, just joking. I can't call you that. But that's my name, so feel free. Alright, but cheers.